Hyun Kim, founder and CEO of Assemble Circle, which is operating AI-driven dental data platform, WebSEF. First of all, congratulations on 100th anniversary of Seoul National University School of Dentistry. Seoul National University School of Dentistry is the world's best dental educational institution in Korea, leading the cutting-edge academic research in dentistry and nurturing the best dentists and dental researchers. It is a place where I met my teachers that I respect and the partners that I am grateful for. Professors gave me valuable teachings so that I can be who I am today. And there I met my valuable partners who are doing businesses together. The tooth morphology is the most memorable class to me. It was because it was my first practice class, but it was also very fun, the most fun. And I remember that it was a time when I spent a long time focusing on carving and thinking about my future job. WebSEF is a web-based orthodontic and orthodontic diagnosis and analysis platform service. Currently, 15,000 dentists from 150 countries have subscribed to the beta service of WebSEF. WebSEF operates a global dental academic community and has held more than 20 online seminars for dentists around the world. We plan to grow into a global dental data platform in the future. School of Dentistry of Seoul National University is a world-leading educational institution of dentistry. And I'm truly sure that the knowledge and experience you will learn here will be your powerful basis and your strongest weapon for you to go out to the world and leading the field where you're going to work for. There are even greater chance and opportunities in the global market. Don't hesitate to go global. Thank you.